Butter churns played a crucial role in home kitchens, symbolizing a commitment to self-sufficiency and culinary craft long before industrialization made store-bought butter the norm. In contrast, washboard laundry demanded substantial physical labor and time, embodying an era where cleanliness was achieved through sheer effort rather than modern conveniences. Similarly, coal scuttles were indispensable for heating homes during the colder months, a reflection of a time when maintaining warmth required considerable physical engagement rather than simple thermostat adjustments. The evolution from typewriters to computers represented a pivotal change in writing practices, allowing for easier editing and electronic storage that fundamentally altered our approach to written communication. Moreover, rotary dial telephones transformed long-distance conversations, showcasing technological advancements that enhanced human connectivity throughout the 20th century. Floppy disks were essential in early computing, offering portable storage for data transfer. However, they quickly became obsolete as more efficient storage solutions emerged. The landscape of milk delivery changed dramatically with the rise of grocery stores and pasteurization, leading to innovative packaging solutions like glass and plastic bottles, enhancing convenience. Prior to vacuum cleaners, carpet beaters were vital for maintaining cleanliness, requiring significant physical effort and symbolizing the labor-intensive nature of household chores in earlier generations. Mechanical alarm clocks introduced reliability and distinctive sounds to morning routines, eventually paving the way for electric models that prioritized user convenience over traditional designs. Plastic trays grew in popularity for their lightweight, cost-effective design, proving more practical than their metal predecessors for everyday use. Steel plate heaters provided essential warmth before electric blankets existed, highlighting how people adapted to colder climates with innovative solutions. Wick lighters became iconic for smokers in the 20th century, seamlessly blending functionality with style, until modern disposable lighters eclipsed their popularity. Button hooks were crucial for fastening snugly fitting shoes prior to the era of zippers, illustrating the necessity of specialized tools in daily life and reflecting intricate fashion trends of the past. Coal-fired water boilers played a vital role in domestic water heating before gas and electric systems took hold, exemplifying the labor-intensive methods used by earlier generations. Hand-powered carpet sweepers effectively maintained floors before the prevalence of electric vacuums, emphasizing a simpler, more manual approach to cleanliness that is now appreciated by eco-conscious users. The advancement from slide rules to electronic calculators in the 1970s marked a significant technological shift, as calculators provided users with enhanced speed and accuracy in calculations. Shellac records, popular in the early 20th century, allowed homes to enjoy music, though their fragility and limited playtime pushed the introduction of more durable vinyl records in the 1950s. Oil lamps served as essential lighting solutions before electricity became widespread, providing a reliable, yet messy option for nighttime activities as electric lighting emerged. Tin food openers were fundamental in kitchens before the 1920s, requiring considerable strength and precision, at times leading to accidents during use due to their manual nature. The advent of rotating can openers revolutionized food preparation, significantly enhancing safety and efficiency, reflecting a broader trend towards replacing outdated tools with improved designs. Lastly, tin wash basins were essential in households prior to the installation of indoor plumbing, serving versatile purposes like washing dishes and bathing, though their practicality diminished with modern plumbing advancements.